Should be live again. So long. Like 13 days since last live stream. Yeah. Hey, Fern of Sigma. Welcome back. What's so yeah, what am I doing here? Standard sync. Wow. I was using standard MPSC channel. Yeah, I figured out all stuff for YouTube APIs and stuff. I figured out that I almost fully used my quota. So yeah, in today I'm back. Chatbot is gonna use anonymous and normal client for YouTube because I don't have much quota. YouTube is limiting me in requests per day, and I already like ate half of them today. Just running for 10 seconds straight, asking if there's any new messages appear in the chat. What am I doing? Great question. Right now I'm quickly finishing my chatbot, and I guess we have to switch this to a standard sync and PST channel because Tokyo requires async and they don't have async everywhere, unfortunately. Live chat ID, chat item here. Let's actually run it and see if it works. Cross beams channels. I mean, I can use standard channels because I used them before. Wow, that's slow. Shouldn't skip too much frames though. And yeah, I'm using Brave now with Flurp. I don't know why. Not only distro hopping now, browser hopping. And search engine hopping. Why Flurp? Because Firefox is slow. I don't know. I saw a video by Linus Tech Tips, where he compared some browsers and search systems, and Flurp had all the tick marks, and I need a browser Firefox based, so I can use all my extensions and stuff. So I just decided to try it. Why not? Before I was using WaterFox, which was quite nice. I could send tabs from my phone to my PC, but for some reason I've decided to switch back. This is gonna take a long time. I mean, if I'm gonna make a browser, and I'm probably gonna make a browser one day, just for fun, like the most interesting thing will be rendering HTML. No way I'm gonna implement a fork Firefox or something. I'd better make my own browser and re-implement all extensions I need. Okay, so desktop environments, yeah, we've loaded. Seems like YouTube has been connected. Let's see if we can get a log message. Renders. Oh, rendering in general is a huge topic. Okay, so we get a text message. By the way, since we're speaking of rendering, wow. A long time ago, when I was using C++, I wrote this a simple, relatively simple graphics library. My README is so small. Yeah, back then I didn't know what to put in README. So yeah, I made this C++ graphics library, which had it used my custom build system, of course. It did. That's this was developed before macro before I had platforms and stuff in my custom build system. Yeah, font awesome. Cars. What do you mean by cars? Normal cars that drive on the road. I don't know much except that I make a robot for Fira competitions, which drives the road automatically. That's the only thing I know about cars. And it uses Ackermann's steering, which is a pain to do. What's called in English? Like you have differential drive, and if you do it manually, if you have two motors, it's a pain to do in software because I tried it. So yeah, this is my old graphics library. If we look at sample, it's actually pretty nice. Was it so long ago? Yeah, differentials are hard. So yeah, this was my graphics library. It supported Windows and Linux. I didn't have a Mac, so I couldn't port it on Mac. Not that I have a Mac now. But yeah, I didn't like SDL, I didn't like SFML, so I made my own. And I didn't like Rayleigh because it supported only one window. That's the only thing I didn't like about uh, racing games. I don't play games almost at all. So yeah, we have I am GUI example because I had a port. Oh, old. Yes, so this is so old. I had a port of I am GUI to my thing, but I am GUI is outdated, so I made my own graphics UI rendering thing. So it yeah, here I'm loading fonts, font awesome, and then we have like exactly what you would expect from IMGUI, but this was rendered pixel by pixel. If we look at the source code, draw line fix bug. Like if you look at commit history, fun thing, we have like March 2023, where so after that I've switched to Rust, and then in February 14th I was experimenting with Fira, this road driving thing. So I have a camera basically, I have computer vision, OpenCV, and some stuff with it. So I've used Mova to test an algorithm, and I've discovered a bug. Discovered a bug, and oh wow, I think that's just formatting. I think that's just formatting. Ow. So yeah, basically out of format ran on this. Where is the draw line? Where's the draw? Oh, here it is. So yeah, draw line. I had a comment here. Wait, I don't. See, I had a comment here somewhere saying that it was AI generated. Please make sure it works. And it didn't, so I fixed it. I don't understand this either. I mean, it's pretty simple here. Oh, how do we get rid of highlights? I don't know. See, here you just assert that we draw on an image, which is here. Then if I don't know, oh, if the line is vertical, draw a rectangle. If the line is horizontal, draw a rectangle. This is a speed up. Else use a line drawing algorithm. I don't remember what it's called. push pixel buffer. What do you mean by pushing them? So yeah, line drawing algorithm. Uh, here it is. AI written may not might not work. Should bound check. Yeah, this was kind of fun. The GPU. So basically the thing about this library, it wasn't using GPU. See here I fixed some bugs. And yeah, this library is fully pixel based. So if we go into CPU CPU rendering, just like good old one encoder pixel game engine, this library is CPU rendered. So if we go into GUI, and that's why I discarded it so quickly. I mean, I've tried to port it to Rust. If we go to, oh wow, I have doc comments here. That's interesting. So if we go into window, no, actually, if we go into image, all the drawing is on image. Yeah, it was so much work to push frame buffers to Windows. The operating system Windows frame buffer drawing in them was a pain. Bitmap and stuff. Yeah. Oh, fonts. Yeah, STB through type library. Oh wow. I've been busy this few weeks in with competitions and then exams. My first exam is tomorrow. Wow, nice. And then I have a whole week of exams and competitions mixed, so I probably won't stream much. But after that, the summer, and I'll have quite a bit of time. So if we go here to and search for a rounded fill round react, this is what tight schedule maybe. This is what I've used to draw windows. So basically windows were rounded. I'm not sure if I can run this. So yeah, windows were rounded, and I've used this function. It was so slow. It was terrible. This was incredibly slow. And I mean, I haven't used I have used quite a few optimizations here, but I think I could have done better with trigonometry, probably. Because like here I have basically what this does is it paints a rectangle. Can you open some kind of painting application? Actually, what do I have? GIMP, GIMP, Rita. Oh, I have a sprite. I can open a sprite. My favorite. At least I know hotkeys in it. Sure. Oh, I was annotating some stuff. So basically, I was drawing a rectangle. Can you feel it? I was drawing a rectangle. Then I was drawing. Actually, I think I was doing it like that. Can you, then I was drawing this part as a rectangle. This part as a rectangle. Oh, come on, line up. No, it's 1 pixel off. Come on. I can't leave this. So yeah, and for those corners, I had a special algorithm which I've used to draw rounding in them. So basically, for each pixel here, I was checking Pythagoras theorem. I don't know how you pronounce it. I don't even know how you override this. We can go into verbose. Not sure if verbose can do this. So basically here I've checked difference between this point and the every pixel. Checked square distance and compared to radius, and I drew each pixel here, and it was so slow. I think it would be better if I use trigonometry to compute the size of those lines individually and fill them in, because CPUs nowadays are optimized to do this much better. Like computing sine for each y value of a rounded part isn't that bad. But it was crazy slow. But I had Windows. I had text input, which was the part that took the longest time to make. What are crossbeam channels? I mean, more features. I mean, I can just use STD sync and PSC here. And by the way, I forgot to notify. Yeah, I'm back. Look at the spacing. May 20 and June 2, June 2nd, the 2nd of June. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, writing a graphics library was fun, but now, after all this IMGUI hype, I kinda hate immediate mode GUI libraries for some reason. Oh, and actually Mova had an OpenGL version. Like, I had an OpenGL backend, but I've discarded it like in about the second version. It's the fourth now. Interesting. I also had a fun embedded library. If I just look it up. This one started even before Mova. Library for SSD 1351 displays and ESP8266. I mean, I've used it on ESP32 a bit more. Oh wow, this is so old. And the last commit is 3 months ago because I've not. Oh, it's just 15 commits. Yeah, I wasn't committing very long, very frequently. It was like version 2, version 3. So yeah, 3 months ago I did this because I saw in my source code that I'm sending bytes line by line terribly, and they could just use this. For some reason, ESP32 is advanced enough to optimize this somehow. I don't know how. I mean, DMA, I don't think DMA is working here. Actually, maybe direct memory access. Yes, this is like the last commit, the last actual commit is June 2023. Where are my commits? The last actual commit is June 2023. This was so long ago. Actually, May 6. Last changes, I don't know. Issues. I have one issue. Oh wow, this was so long ago. Yeah, this was. I didn't know that there is an official documentation page. But yeah. So this is this library is also basically the same. It has a lot of functionality of drawing text, drawing menus, drawing bitmaps, images. I even had compression at one point, flipping stuff. Uh, I had a lot here. Um, okay. Draw list, update, double buffering. I had triple buffering to use to utilize two CPU cores on ESP32. This was fancy. But with a single buffer I could get 70 FPS with last update. I've used it to recrawl people. See, the fun thing here is if I go into source, I'm not sure if it's still here. There was yeah, it's still here. This and yes, I have everything in header files. Wow. So I had this is yeah, sure. This is a tile engine. No ECS. It's not an ECS, it's just entities and components, no systems. But virtual components. Oh, this was so much fun. I mean, so this is a tile engine. I've used it to recreate Mario and Pokemon games. Well, recreate, it's very big word. Web-based word game kind of works. Yeah. Oh wow, this was so old. Tile engine map editor. I wrote this using my library, as you can see. Compile commands. Ow. What is this? Component CMP. I guess it's a binary file. Yeah, it's a binary file. I'm gonna type this. Like, actually, why would I type it manually? Oh wow, svelte. Is this is the create svelte default readme? Why? I'm sure create svelte is a CLI tool. Why does it create a readme like that? I'm not sure if I can run this. Let's try. 2 weeks ago. Static. Yeah, I haven't used Svelte. Not that I really like this sort of stuff. I'm more of a plain JavaScript or static site generators person, and I actually need one. Persist state. Oh, why did it clone so quickly? Can I what? Can I npm run this? There's this open. Like that. I've used to build tower apps. I mean, oh, oh wow. Yeah, install. I'm on NixOS, might not work. Actually, it should. So yeah, I was running Towery apps on this machine. The second thing. Which one is the second here? Oh wow. What? uh, what? Do I have to clone a separate repository for this? A database. I'm actually wondering. Oh, it's just a JSON file. Rust? So just parsing. You're just parsing stuff with Rust. Uh, this one has a good readme. Yeah, it has a readme. Where is the JSON file though? Do I have to run this as well? I don't have. Wait, actually. Uh, web web scraping. Really? Uh, kudos prime fish. Carly. Oh, cars. So that's what you asked me about. I guess let's clone it in the same place, to the same place. 404 git clone this cargo run data JSON. Could you upload a JSON as a release to this repository? Yeah, classic Rust, 100 crates. And that's kind of not a lot. Not your data. Is it against the license? I mean, you could upload the data.json as a release, just to and add a note here. Why is it GPL 3.0 license? I mean, your choice, I guess. Didn't game gets updates? I mean, you could add more releases. GPL 3. I thought GPL 2 was the latest. Now I'm pretty sure GPL 4 is something that got released someday. GitHub Actions, actually that's a good idea. HTML5 ever. This is such a popular library. Yeah. So now we have data JSON. Do I just do it like that? I need to install a cell, actually. Or do I put it in static? Oh, in static, yeah. Okay, now it seems to work. I mean to start. Why did it open another tab? Select car. What do I put in here? What is this? Guess a car? I don't know. I don't know anything about cars. Oh, oh, that's actually interesting. That's an interesting idea. So it's like Wordle, but RWD. What is this? Rear wheel drive. Like every almost every car has a rear wheel drive. So it doesn't really say anything to me. Do you have? Even less I know. What? Front? What? I don't know. I don't know anything in English. Year. Wait. Year? Yeah, it's. I guess years would be the easiest for me. 1981, 2016. Let's do binary search. 1998, 1999. Wow, I don't have a lot of guesses. Actually, this tells me let's try 2000. Let's try my birth year. Audi. So now I can plug it in here. 12 Eagle. 2014. What did I have here? Ford, Audi, Ferrari. Let's try 2014. So it's 2013. What did I not try? This. Does it display power here? Yeah, I guess. Actually, okay, so I haven't yet guessed the what is hint. Oh, what's hint? 63. This doesn't tell me anything at all. 63 kilowatts. Compared to every other car, it's weak. I mean, only thing I know is a year, and now, and a rear wheel drive, and I mean, that's not how it works, because I don't know cars. Uh, 2013. I mean, we know all these three columns. Oops. Which one we haven't tried yet? Ariel. I'm feeling good about Ariel. 500 V8. Doesn't seem like a weak car. No. Audi no 430. What else? Aston. I don't know. Aston. V12 doesn't seem like a weak car. Like a low power car. Audi, not an Audi, not a BMW. Not a Cadillac. Super light. Yeah, this feels. Oh, what was it? Now I won't know which car was it. Now I will never know. But yes, it's a very interesting concept. Placeholder. Yeah, console. Failed to get some system status for purpose. White. Ferrari. What? What's this? Oh, it's a new one, I guess. Ah, my console was wiped. I'm pretty sure that's what happened. But I mean, I guess now it's Ferrari. That's the answer for for this one. 7 California. So that's Wooling Sunshine S. Wow. says a lot to me. Sarcasm. But it's a very interesting concept. Chinese box. It's I'd like to see this for a microcontroller, for example, or for a 3D printers. It would be so interesting for a 3D printer. Like you had kinematics, a controller board, yeah, year, um, manufacturer. I'm pretty sure I can just take this and customize it. Uh, but it's an interesting idea. Is it enough for me to edit data? I'm pretty sure it's not. Let's see. At static data JSON. I mean, if you could make it so I can just edit data and it would take field names, this would be very easy to customize. So like it loads data and it looks at the fields, and then you just change the name. This shouldn't be very hard, actually. I mean, yes, this may not be the best names, but if you could just read the JSON, load it into memory, and take, for example, the first item in the array, read each field and take its name as what you had in your table. Like, put it here. I mean, yeah, you have capitalized first letter, unit in parentheses, or you can make separate data to JSON, which would map them. JSON schema. Yeah, but that's a very interesting concept for a game. I saw a lot of Wordle edits, but not that you could replace a letters by something else. SRC routes guest table svelte. How shame. SRC routes guest table. I'm not familiar with svelte. Not really. Uh, Type annotations. Oh, it's TypeScript, yeah. What is this? Oh, background color. Oh, makes sense. You have what docs or just comments? Dynamic CSS class. Oh wow. Oh. Oh wow. You just concatenate classes within. Oh wow. After p. And then you have a table. Means that's pretty clean compared to my code. I mean, if you look at, for example, crane leaf, where is it? Backend crane leaf, or backend crane leaf source, and for example, expression mod. Yeah, this. I mean, that's pretty clean actually. I've cleaned it up, but before it was terrible. Health bar. What does health bar do here? What is oh, is this a health bar? That's kind of a weird name to me. Background base 300. What's that? What's that? BG colors index. Yeah. Each. Oh wow. I kinda need something like that, but for static generation, kinda something like Svelte. And instead of JavaScript, use something like, I don't know. There's handlebars. I wanna use it. But yeah, you one max one health subtract one. Wow. Divided fluid static, but the thing is interactive. Yeah, I mean I don't really like Svelte and stuff. I wanna try using handlebars, and I mean handlebars RS. I wanna try using this as why am I in LibreS? I wanna try using this as a static site generator. Yeah, a list of classes for someone who's coming from Bulma CSS and similar things. This feels very like, I mean, it's familiar, but having a color, at least it's from the list. Not like you put a random number in here, like color 1, color 2. This is actually not bad. This is actually pretty clean compared to what I do sometimes. So yeah, I actually got some work to do. And this chat overlay doesn't have emotes and probably will never have emotes. Actually, it might have someday, but I don't think so. I mean, someday when I rewrite it in a random framework that I make, is the color changes and an index is given. Yeah. Client transmitter. Yeah, I need to transmit it, and I'm pretty sure Tokyo requires async, and I'm gonna use standard. This whole thing is async. Why can't I access async enclosures? That's a shame. But yeah, I need to transmitter send. What does it turn? A result, and yeah, it's asynchronous. So let's make it a standard sync MPSC. Not that it's very healthy. STD. Hardcode the number of guesses. I mean that's good. That's not what I do normally. And I mean I don't like hard coding either, but what I do is terrifying sometimes. Now I can't remember any of those cases. What? Doesn't channel take a capacity? Has an infinite buffer. Oh, interesting. That's why crossbeam. I mean, I don't need the capacity. If it's not asynchronous, if I can't use async to pause, I would prefer it to have infinite capacity over it blocking the thread and probably blocking the mutex that won't be unlocked. Let's Found and said infinite buffer, blacked up and crashed. I mean, I've used it before. It's not it's non-blocking. So yeah, if I could have access to async here, I would use async. But I mean, those closures aren't async, so loop try to see if it's a separate thread. I mean, that's what I'm doing, isn't it? Send unwrap unwrap or lock or log. Wow, this is slow. Now, a message content, it probably doesn't have a new method. No, it does, but I don't know what it takes. The thread is a Tokyo thread here. Yeah, that's why I would normally use a Tokyo channel. I don't do async normally, and I still don't really understand how it works. But I mean, yeah. Is async just like, I mean, it's a state machine, but is async just like uh, is async made for multi-threaded systems, to make multi-threaded systems with one thread just for that? Like, was it the intention? So on await you switch to another thread and actually, well, actually, while you're awaiting, you probably need something to happen. Async is pretty similar to an effect system, but the effect system is more general, and you can model async with effect system. Maybe. Coca research says that you can, but I couldn't do it when I tried. Uh, Context switching on one rail thread. So yeah, a state machine. ID of what? Of a message? Message ID? None. Message ID none. Actually, I needed some, so I'm gonna provide an empty string. Some of I guess string. Wow, this is so slow. NeoVim is lagging. It's painfully slow. Stream ID. Stream ID is easy. I just provide live chat ID here, which I need to lock, which I need to unwrap. No, it's NeoVim that's lagging. My cursor is fast. The stream might lag a little. I mean, you say PC, I say fast fetch. What's it? 5.74 gigabytes of RAM. Gigabytes of RAM. Yeah. I mean, I have I don't really know what I have, but I have 4 gigabytes or gigabytes card of RAM in my laptop, and then I guess some of it is also soldered onto the motherboard. And in the whole house, I have 1 gigabyte cards like that. And ordering RAM, I don't have time nor money for that, and I don't really understand this all. Or reduce RAM usage. I mean, it's 5 billion, or what is it? 5 gigabytes. It's a lot. Why would you need what is it? It's using like 10 right now, even more. Why would you need so much memory? Why would you make a virtual file system in RAM, Linux kernel? I mean, Windows is even more terrifying, but because of modern software, I mean, I understand OBS is taking a lot because video is a lot of memory, and I felt it so much when I when I was using double buffering and 128 by 128 screen to hold 32 kilobytes of RAM just for RGB 565, so 2 bytes per pixel. Modern screen is like 1920 by what is it, 1080 times let's say 3 bytes per pixel. Realistically 4. Yeah, let's do 4 for a general frame buffer, and let's divide it by uh, 8 megabytes of RAM just for one frame buffer. And imagine how many of these the whole thing contains. One frame buffer for this 4 bytes per pixel. No bits. UI is probably using like 1,000 of them. OBS is probably using OpenGL, and I mean, using a 3D API to draw graphics. This is just how modern stuff works, but not that I really like it. And there's also depth buffer, probably a stencil buffer. Alacrity is using a buffer. KDE, I'm not even talking of that. But I like KDE user experience. Not that I can like any window manager for its code. Not that I read any of them. But looking at how much time KDE takes to compile, I already don't like it. I mean, that's why I'm building a compiler and stuff like that. Not that they are gonna be ready for production or something. Clone. Or may have sref here. Okay, what's next? I don't know. I like that I can customize panels. That probably means I like KDE. DE less. I mean, what do I use of a compositor? Those effects, I don't really need them. I mean, I don't really need windows. I can just do a tiling window manager. I can write my own compositor and so on and so forth. KDE is not a desktop environment, by the way. KDE is a group of people. Desktop environment is called Plasma. And when I say I like KDE, I mean it. I like KDE stuff sometimes. I mean, writing an X compositor, an X11, compositor window manager, and desktop environment isn't that hard. I mean, desktop environment without applications like File Explorer, Explorer and stuff. Well, on my phone it's all just stars. But yeah, Wayland is coming, and it's not gonna plus Linux. Android is Google plus Linux, and you're probably gonna murder me for that. Awesome. Next, and yes. Also color and message. Yeah, kind of. Um, also color and message itself. Now let's look at chat item. What do I have here? Do I have a message ID by the way? Actually I have an ID, so I can just put it here. Not that I really need an ID here. Not that I'm really gonna use it. KDE was used to mean K desktop environment, but now it's a group of people. Because you have Kate, you have a lot a lot of other stuff, and I mean this separation is actually important. You can sometimes say KDE as a desktop environment, but KDE has much more. I don't actually know where to go. Oh wow, this legs. It's not generalization. Console, that's what I'm using. Yeah, Quake. It's actually a nice pop out slide from top terminal. Clazy. What? Oh, it's a linter. So you have K develop. Not that it's very good. I'm not actually sure. Heap track. What? But I mean, KD actually has a lot of stuff, a lot of applications. So when I say KD, I really mean the group of people who develop a lot of applications. Yeah, frameworks, Kirigami, and Qt. What? GNOME is not a desktop. I mean, maybe Linux. Linux is a. Let's go and look up Linux. Family of Unix-like operating systems that use a Linux kernel. The Linux kernel is a kernel. Linux is a family. Okay, I mean, everyone calls Linux a kernel or an OS. It's not really an OS, but I mean, I'm using Linux. I don't mean if you're using GNU hard, does it allow you to say that you're using Linux? I mean, we probably do. Static stir. Code. Uh, I mean, we can all agree that Microsoft is garbage, and there's no arguing in that. Now I could say that I hate languages, and English is one of the simplest languages I've learned, but still it has quite a bit of tenses, and I mean, when you say a word in past and future, etc., you could get rid of it and make a language that's like a programming language where you don't have rules and exceptions and it's all simple and machines can understand it. And that's what we should have done, but I mean, that's not how it got. And that's probably because there was a lot of people and culture differed. Like you had English in one country and in another, because people came to those both countries, and then in both countries something appeared and different names got assigned, and you got two flavors of English. It's not that simple. Did you see Latin? It has. It's a pain. It has tenses and it has cases. Uh, it's a regional job. It's too complex. Tomorrow I have exams for a language, a Russian language, and there is so many rules. Message author. What does it say? Channel ID. Is there a name here? There's a name. There is a page. I can use channel ID. Fun. Exams don't are not fun sometimes. Can you use badges? I kind of want to implement badges in Chatry. Language is a part of culture, history, and humanity. I mean, in our schools we learned 3 languages. That's including English, the foreign language. I mean, it's not constrained to be English, but most of schools teach English, which is British English, because there is no American English anymore. There is American language, or at least I heard something like that. Name, unwrap, or chat item, author, channel ID. What do I mean? What do I mean by what? Do I add an ad here? Like people say that there is no American English, there is American language. Oh, this is oh, I can't even type. People are American. Like people used to say American English, and now people say American language. I mean, who cares here? To be honest. Why do I have to borrow here? I have an own string and a static string, and if I want to concatenate them in the wrong order. People people don't know what language they speak. I don't know what language I'm speaking in everyday life. I keep using all 3 of them and just switch between them randomly. I have an own string and a static string slice. I need to concatenate them when the static string slice is on the left. And I have to make static string slice is make static string slice own string and make an own string a string slice. Because I already have a node string, why can't I prepend to it? I mean, this is gonna cause buffer reallocation probably. Format. Actually, yeah, good point. I should use format here. Just for the future. So in future I can easier do it. And did I mess it up? I hope not. Yeah, it seems fine. Also, is there a color? I don't think YouTube provides a color. It provides a badge and a thumbnail. And that's all. I mean, let's just do red RGB RGBA. Wow, this is slow. Red for YouTube. I don't know, pink? Like light red, opaque. Let's do a custom one. It's a floating point one, so let's do 1.5 and 0.5. And then the message itself, which is a vector of what? A message part? A message item. I don't remember how I used to do it. A message item, yeah, it's a text and emoji. I can try emoji as text. Map. Oh, and there is in Rust we have join on vector, but it misses join on iterator so much. Like I want join iterators of strings so badly. Map MSG match MSG. And I mean I can use like what is this fold but it's complex. I mean, you can have a vector, if you have a vector of strings or string slices, I'm not sure actually if it will work. You can do join here, and it's gonna, like in Python, it's just gonna give you like A, line B. But for iterator of strings, you can't do this. And that's so annoying. You have to do false. In iter tools, there's intersperse, inter. Okay, now it's time to use verbose. Presentation Python. Being collect is annoying. What? Shem. Oh wow, I really did some inters. I'm not sure how to write it.
Intersperse.
Intersperse. That's loud. That's pretty loud. Ow. It lags. This thing lags, or am I? Am I just? Actually, I can do into iter. Match. Give me text and emoji. Fill my charms. And fold. How do I fold it? Initial and string that applies. You mean KD6 or I mean Plasma 6 or oh, you mean KD, you mean Qt? Which one? I mean, I haven't used Qt because it doesn't support Rust, and before Rust I've used my library. And then Qt in Rust starts with unsafe, and that's annoying. And QML is actually Kirigami, I think. In Qt it's written in C++, so it's already flawed from the beginning. Yes. Wait, actually, I can get rid of this map. I can paste this thing here. And I'm pretty sure I can just do like text is what is string. MSG, can I use it here? Use YouTube. Basically, QML is cached into disk. Well, it's cached every time a new UI segment opens and reopens a disk. What? Plasma 6. I mean, I've tried Plasma 6 from its release candidate 2. It was so buggy and laggy and it was just so unstable. Now it feels pretty fine. Oh, it lagged. Nice. I mean, not really. Why am I using mouse? Why am I using arrow keys? Wait, how do I go up? Ow. I forgot Vim keybinds already. MSG, so just push. Wow, this lags. And here emoji item. What does emoji provide? I think there was a method to convert it to text. Don't. image item, emoji text, unwrap or emoji dot. There was some other. Oh, I can't use image emoji. Let's just say emote and the accumulator push a string. I'm kinda scared of doing this. Okay. Crash metadata. I'm pretty sure it's gonna just lag. Cases coca, case splash, case switch elements. Win even here is in here. How much is it? How much will it take to regenerate all this cache? Let's do Kiwi here. Didn't even lag. Huh. And what is it in here now? Cache. Okay. Asterisk. It regenerated cases coca already. Check for lag. I mean, how do I check for lags? Epilepsy warning. Sorry, too late. I mean, it is working. Maybe like, I mean, most of the lag comes when I run Rust analyzer or just Rust build, cargo build, whatever. That's when lags. That's when lags actually come in. I mean, it actually feels kind of smoother. KD caches. I Bitop. I did it so many times. Nothing really here. CPU, disks used, swap. I mean, what are you gonna see here? There should be like a disk usage, but I mean not this kind of disk usage. But I don't see any. Is this what how much a disk is read and written every like second? Oh, it disappeared. 156k. That's a lot of swap usage. I mean, I only have 5.7 gigabytes. I mean, gigabytes of RAM, and Rust Analyzer is taking quite a bit of it. Oh, no field text on type string. What? Oh. I've used to have a laptop with 1 gigabyte of RAM and 1 terabyte SSD or HDD, I don't remember. That's what I used to have. That's what I used to use. Push str. As a ref. Can I do this? Huh? Oh, a slice? What? Oh, it's as a ref. We just have a reference. Come on. What's wrong here? Oh no, mute access is not iterator. Oh, what? Live chat ID is just. Why am I unwrapping it? Oh, it's lock and wrap. Fine. Unwrap or emote. The enter type of this call is static string due to the arguments passed. I mean, it shouldn't be static, but it should be string. I can do this. May do map or str. Okay. What's wrong? I can't move out of the reference. Clone. Just clone it. I mean, cloning an option of a string shouldn't be much worse than cloning a string itself. Emote is borrowed here. What's wrong? It's like I can't return. Yeah. I guess I have to. Clone it and borrow here and or actually not clone, but use unwrap or and convert this to owned string. To owned. Wow, 1.5 hours of stream already. How much? 1.5 gigabytes. Wow, it's so aligned. I mean, it's not 1.5 hours. It's 1:21. 21 means 1 1/3. I mean, precision. It's not a future result. What? Oh, that's because. So it's a result. What? Wait, what? Does receive blocks? Block has hung up. Will always block. How can I do the same thing without blocking? Like now or never in futures. Dot. Oh, receive timeout. I can. Without blocking. Oh, that's what I need. To become available. Why does it return a result but and not a result of an option? Try receive. Should actually match this, I guess, and have OK of message. Turn this. Error of error. I need to check if an error is actually an error or if just channel is empty. Can you do this? Embraces. No. Come on. Feel my charms. Disconnect. Empty. Nothing. Disconnected. Actually, I can put none here. None here. Some here. Can get rid of this return. And then disconnected, I'm gonna error and none. Error. Channel YouTube channel disconnected. Why do I have channel capitalized? Come on, format. Okay. Let's see if it works. Should actually work. So many warnings. I mean, that's because of unused stuff. We're gonna use it once we actually use the YouTube API to finally send messages to YouTube chat, which is why I refactored the whole thing in past like 3 weeks, I guess. Wow, I haven't streamed so much, missed so much opportunities. I mean, I probably won't stream this week. Like maybe one day in the middle of the day I'll just stream, because I have exams and competitions. Loading, loading. 88 plushes, whole 88 of them. A big collection, and I need to add more. Chatry is online. No messages here yet. Sending on a closed channel. What? What? Sending on a closed channel. I guess it's here. Like, I mean here. It sends. But for some reason the channel is closed. I mean, receiver is here. Why the channel is closed? I don't understand. Why? I have transmitter borrowed here. I mean, moved here. Moved into this thing. Actually, I'm not moving it here. What? How am I not moving the transmitter here and it's still alive? Or is it not? I mean, it can't be just... What? It takes an FN, and I mean, this is an FN mute? Actually. But I guess this thing doesn't care. No, it does. Oh, actually, that's because of live chat ID. I don't know how it works. Why it doesn't move the thing? And the receiver should be still intact. Oh wait, did I just drop you? I mean, I just dropped YouTube. What am I talking about? And what's this commented thing? Don't need this. Right. Why there's no WBD command? Come on. I need overlay mode res YouTube chat. I am gonna duplicate this and send it to YouTube chat. But I need to remove to do in the YouTube chat. Twitch chat, Twitch streamer, YouTube chat is gonna go here. Just edit here. RC of ref cell, etc. Why do I have it as an RC of ref cell? Huh? And where do I do Twitch chat? I do Twitch streamer next. I do Twitch chat clone borrow mute next. On message. Oh, that's because self on message. Oh, that's actually makes sense. They just oh, it's fine. Let me just copy this, yank this, paste it here, clean some space. Runner, next message. Wow, it's so old IRC code. Twitch IRC, YouTube IRC, just YouTube chat because it's not an IRC. Self YouTube chat. Now I do self on message. Yeah, basically. And it should, before I run it, I need to get rid of those to-dos because it will crash and I don't want that. But now it should work theoretically. And I'm sending a message here on top when I create it. I can't really do this because I don't have a live chat ID. I don't have it just yet. Let's just do this. And it's not mutable anymore. Let's just let it load. 88 plushies. By the way, I don't know why it lags so much. Like when it loads first or second plushie, it just starts to lag for like 2 or 3 seconds. I mean, it freezes and then it continues. I guess it's just other assets loading. I mean, 88 PNG images. That's quite a bit. Oh, we've got YouTube. And yeah, right, pink color. Finally. And I mean, yeah, it reads messages like that because of YouTube API. I can go around it by just draining messages once I connect, but I mean, can be lazy to do this. Let's implement sending, so I can write a delayed command. Let's just do QOTD here, and it's not gonna react because we don't have replies here yet. YouTube API, and this should be fairly simple. In reply, just do self send. Actually, no. Let's just do a simple send first. YouTube doesn't have replies, or I don't know if I don't know about them. So we're just gonna add person in front. But first, let's just do client. I mean, if there's a client, self runtime block on, or actually block on. I have to block on async client. What do we have here? Live broadcast, live chat messages. Now we need to insert a live chat message. Wait, why don't we have... Let's look up docs. Yes, YouTube, no, Google, YouTube 3 API, live chat messages, insert message methods, insert. Where is insert? Insert. Oh wait, I thought there was an example for that. I mean, there should be a way to create it. Oh wow, live chat message insert call. Insert queue, live chat message default. Field with desired information. Link will very soon here, possibly random and not spam. I mean, I do need default, but I need to provide like what's the request? Let's just insert a live chat message, which I need to somehow fill with stuff. What's the details? How am I gonna get this? I mean, if I'm gonna add all of those fields, won't YouTube just kill me? Murder me for faking my identity if I mess it all up? Or if I mess something up? It's new resource. I mean, that's more like a YouTube API. Scopes. I mean, I can none all of that. Wait, where's the message itself? Where is it in snippet? Oh, wow. YouTube API send message. Let's look up Google's example, because that's the only source of truth, unfortunately. Okay. Fortunately, we have live chat ID. Snippet type, use text message event. Oh, by the way, oh, it doesn't mention it here, but only text messages are supported. Show me the code. Let's do with Java. Authorize, I guess. Live chat message, new, insert. No, you can't just do this. You can't just do this. You need to edit text messages. I mean, edit text. Snippet. Excuse me. I mean, if it requires me to specify date, I'm just gonna quietly quit it. Displaying. I mean, I can send a pure empty message. Let me actually just try and hope Google doesn't ban me for this. Come on. Message. There is literally no API in the whole cargo crates.io repository that gives me an ability to send a messages to YouTube chat except this raw bindings generation, raw generated bindings. and if but error log error msg. Let me make msg equals, let's make it mutable. Actually, let's make it, let's do msg equals msg live chat message. YouTube API is terrible. Okay, default. Wait, it's a nice suggestion. Okay, so I need snippet. Let's actually try sending it. Sending an empty message. I kind of wonder what will happen. Remove the await. Why? Oh, it's do it await. Okay, let's do just send in reply for now. Stream ID message. Okay, let's see what will happen. Loading plushies. Almost 2 hours of streaming. I was intending to do much less because I have a little bit of work. Okay, let's see. Failed to load token, cannot get secret from killing. I guess it's just Google murdered me. Maybe it's just a fault and this just happens sometimes. I'm not sure. Let's try again. Yeah, I have a keyring. Oh, actually, let's look at the error message. Give me a way to scroll, come on. It's so bad of you. I'm pretty sure I know what was there. Okay, now I guess it's loaded. What? Failed to load token, cannot get secret from keyring matching. YouTube. Oh, actually, I didn't authorize for the non-read only thing, and I mean I'm pretty sure I can safely show it on stream. I've leaked my password once already, so let's just I leave speech. Let's just authorize. It's pretty safe. My email is well known already. Yeah, I am using it as a tester. I may now close this window. Uh, Token retrieval failed. Cannot retrieve token from keyring. I don't know. Did I send a message? Okay, let's see if I authorized properly and the key is now saved. And they should get a different error message. Let's see. Let's see if it works. Come on, guys. We're 20 followers away from 2 to the power of 8. Even though I got follow botted. Now I have the reason to celebrate every number of followers twice. Real and follow botted. For real, I haven't even got to affiliate number. And I don't have an affiliate because I don't have viewers. And that's a shame. No, it didn't work. Do I need to run the sudo so it saves the key? I'm pretty sure it should save it already. Oh, this is almost black. Okay, there's actually nothing wrong with showing the screen. Now I'm sure. Token retrieval failed, cannot set secret. Why token retrieval failed? And how can I even... How do I even save it if I don't even say an application name? Fail to load token. I mean, it should be failed to save. Oh, it's failed to load. And here set I'm pretty sure I need to name the keyring entry or something like that. Keyring, actually, let me just put it here. Keyring set global service name Chatry, and I'm pretty sure I need to await it. No, I don't. What? Kinda surprising. But I mean, I've tried doing it before for read only keys. Come on, load. May you please load? May you please build? May you please work now? Failed to load token, cannot get secret. Yeah, I need to log in again because I don't have a saved key in the keyring. Come on. Oh, okay. Is it? No. Token retrieval failed. Cannot set. Why it's token retrieval failed? I don't know. Maybe it's just outside. Cannot set secret from keyring matching. Why? I've tried it and it worked for read only. Also, I have so many tabs open. Once I finish YouTube stuff, I can just close all of this. Search operators here. No, not found. I don't understand what's wrong here. Cannot set secret. What you cannot do? Answer. May I run it with sudo? Let's make sure to not leak a password again. Oh no, I'll have to load it all up, build it all. No. May I just sudo target release Chatry can't run xkb not found. Makes sense. Makes total sense. Thousand seconds is probably not enough. I mean, actually, let's just leave it as that. libxkb common.so cannot deal open. Yeah, I just have no idea why keyring doesn't work. I have no idea why. What's it? No credentials with storage, and it's all. It does everything inside. I just don't know. I don't understand why this happens. I mean, if I add read only, it works. If I don't, it doesn't. In read only key worked. Okay, Mel. Orange Pie. Wait, was it OpenGL? So it was OpenGL and then Orange Pie. Desktop environments KDE. Wait, what? It was supposed to be Plasma. Yes. And failed to retrieve token. Yeah, sure. But why it doesn't work? Okay, I mean, it loaded, but cannot say it's secret from keyring matching. And error sending, wow. Error sending request for URL. Trying to connect TCP connector. Network is unreachable. What? Hold on, do I have my network working? 2.2 gigabytes. Oh, stream dropped frames. Network 0. What? What? Yeah, one error I have. I mean, actually, it's not this that reconnects on error. But I don't understand why it asked me to reconnect. I don't know why it doesn't work. Token retrieval failed. Cannot set secret from keyring matching. Maybe I have some invalid symbols here. May just say like key retrieve key. Without scopes, let's try it. Let's see. It should ask me to log in. And let's see if it stores the key. Token retrieval failed. Cannot set secret from keyring matching key. I just don't understand why. I mean, it doesn't send the thing anyway. Let's see if. Come on. Oh, wait, I'm on YouTube already. Let's see if the client is done. Come on. Come on. Oh wow, everything lagged. New Vim, come on. Just work. Come on. New Vim. New Vim just doesn't work. Let me reboot it, I guess. Come on. Boot up. From the swap file. Oh, what's this? Where's the no client? That's what I need. Let's close this, write this anyway. Do I have, yeah, I do have theme account here, which is kind of funny. But I kind of hate when when new Vim does this. Come on. Come on, why does it take... Oh, it lags so much. Why does it take so long? Me complaining when my swap is literally used to build stuff. To me it's still way too slow. Where's the job? Come on, load. And now I gotta log in and then gotta see if the client is here. Or no, probably no, because login failed. I mean, I was meant to finish Chatry like 1.5 hours ago. Doesn't output anything. That means it's either not none or it's just or it's just not sending anything. And I guess it's not none because it should send something format kills. Do some work. Come on. New Vim, may you please work. Awesome message. Expected borrowed string for font string. Oh, here. To borrow this. May I set some stuff like snippet? I mean, there has to be an example. Let me actually close all of this. Did I permanently delete this message? Who cares? YouTube, is there YouTube IRC actually? Internet relay. No, it's not not what I want. Probably no. YouTube API. Send message in live chat. How do I do this? Medium. There's like no resources. There's literally no resources on this. Common use cases. Snippet live chat ID type. Oh, actually, it gave me an example with some fields populated in your live chat ID, my live chat ID. Let's try it. Snippet. Oh wow, this is slow. Do I remove caches now? Oh, ow, ow. Can't look at this. Why are all my cores utilized? Why? What? 200 threads on Flurp is 70. Why would you have 75 threads on OBS? I mean, maybe video processing actually will make sense. Oh, 200 threads on Flurp and like 45 per each page. Also. Ow. Can't even. Yeah, Quake is just. Yeah, Quake that. Oh. What? Yeah, Quake doesn't even answer. My cursor blinks. Wow. That's a pain. Okay, I guess let's continue. Snippet, live chat ID. Sum of stream ID. Type text message. Type underscore. Why would you use type underscore and not r hash type, which is a valid Rust syntax? Type is a string? Ow. Yes, it is a string. Text message event. Event. Text message details, which is a text message details, which has message text. Your cool text message goes here, of course. Live chat text message details. Live chat text message details. And what do I have here? Wrap this in sum. Oh, this is slow, so slow. Is text message details actually contains one field. Nice. Okay, let's try. Let's add an underscore here, and let's actually look for warnings. And yeah, right. Let me actually run Clippy just for the sake of it. And then I have no idea why. Like why it doesn't work. Oh, by the way, this should be scopes again. Scopes join colon. Maybe it's just that my hard drive disconnected again. I mean, I can't write if my hard drive disconnected, but I can write here. And yes, it does disconnect sometimes. That's something that happens. $650 crates. Oh wow. Ow. Yes, so true. For some of those. I can't build the ellipses. Oh wow. Yeah, we're loading here. Considering default. Oh, I have so many warnings. Unnecessary use of to owned. Modern. Let me just fix them real quick. Because I like my code without warnings. Yeah, let's see what's up. Wow, one viewer, whole one view per 2 hours of stream. And it doesn't work for some reason. Maybe it's just not sending actually. Let me see if it actually sends. Log info sending message. Not cargo, Clippy cargo run. Release Chatry. Unnecessary use of to owned. Where is it here? True. Oh wow, what? Oh, it's not a function, it's a macro. Macro bang. Can't pour a message immutable because it's also brought as immutable. What? Message is a string, so I need to clone it. Content message split. Message content message. Is it here or is it somewhere else? 12, line 12. I mean, here true, it's not to own but clone. But I mean, you can't just deal without to owned. Because split doesn't clone the string. Should consider adding a default implementation of world. Plushies world res. Default implementation for world. Yeah, I guess. I mean, I'm never gonna use it, but anyway. And casting this is not appropriate, or what should I say? Und have changes to self in overlay moderate 76 line. Yes, should be self. Now let's go here, buff only. And yeah, I added bang. What's wrong? Just compile and just show me if it works or not. Come on. Okay, it doesn't. Why it doesn't? Why? It should have replied. Because QOTD. Oh, it asks me. Oh, it actually sent one. Yeah, it did actually send. Oh, it did actually send, but the client didn't work. Actually, the client did work, but it didn't log in for this event. I don't know why. I just don't know. I don't understand. I don't know why it's wrong. Shouldn't be just fine. It should even send a message. Oh, and by the way, can I insert any gift membership? Oh wow. Publish that, super chat it is. No, it can't reference user. Like it can't be a reply. Kind. It doesn't really matter. Wow, this editor is kinda cool. But I don't know why it doesn't work. YouTube API stuff. Oh wait, part snippet. I need to add part here. And I need to fix the storage. Actually, if I get rid of the storage, will it work? Probably not, because I'm missing part argument. And yes, it is blocking while I add while I use the URL and login, because it wasn't meant to happen like this. It was meant to save the key. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm just missing this. Every other parameter is default. It's control space. It does the same thing. But I'm pretty sure it won't work without the part snippet. I completely forgot of this. It is missing here. Here insert part, add part. Wow, so simple. I just call a method, and wow, it froze. No, it's just not focused. And yeah, I can't. No, yeah, I can't. Yeah, I can't just complete it. Yeah, it's dumb. Okay, let's see if it works without the part, but without the storage. Just gonna ask me without any errors now. Maybe it even gives me a different error message. What I mean. Okay, it gives me a different error message. The live chat identified in the IP request does not exist. Oh wow. Deleted by the owner. What? The live chat identified in the API request does not exist. What? Stream ID. As a stream ID, I use API mod. As the stream ID in reply, I use content stream ID. In content stream ID, I mean, where is it? Live chat ID or an empty string if live chat ID is not present, but it should be present. Let me just log it out, and before anyone asks, it's not a secret. It's not really something that I should like ensure to keep private. Unfortunately, I can't test it off stream because I need a YouTube stream. I need a live chat to insert the message into, not a function. Oh wow, I did this mistake again. It's a macro. It's almost 2.5 hours of streaming. I wasn't meant. I wasn't going to stream for this long. I was going to like fix Chatry in like 30 minutes and jump back to OrCo, where I actually have some to-dos to work on. When they have snippet and yeah, I still don't have a keyring token storage. So yeah, I have a major problem with this storage. I don't know why. Maybe it's just that, I don't know, hardware issue again. If it is, it's kind of scary. But I mean, I had something like my hard drive disconnecting a few times by now. Quite a few times. Actually, quite a lot. Let me first let me quit this. Quit. It's not quitting. Bitop froze. Let me see it again. Sudo nix os nix collect garbage 30. Message to, yeah, live chat ID is not empty. I mean, how can I check it? I guess with YouTube API here. And yes, it's not a secret. It's not a secret key. It's just that I'm not even sure if YouTube is gonna allow you if you try to do this like I do right now. And yeah, nothing secret here as well. 404 not found. Actually not found. Why? Is there something up with YouTube chat? What? Huh. I don't know why, but for some reason the chat ID is wrong. And yeah, it gives me live chat not found issue. I mean, this API, it said that here on start, it gives me live chat ID, it said. I mean, I don't remember where, but I'm pretty sure I saw it somewhere. And didn't you? No, just not opening the function. Crazy. I mean, docsrs slash what's it? YouTube chat. Let's see YouTube chat. Yeah, it's YouTube chat, live chat client builder, on start. Live chat client. Huh, what? I'm pretty sure I saw somewhere that it gives me a live chat ID. Invoke on start. I don't know why those are traits. Give me the source code. Live ID. Oh, it's live. I mean, it's live what? Is it live chat ID? Fish live page. Live URL. Where is the fetch live page? Oh, it's in request. May look it up. May I see it? Fetch live page gives me. I'm not actually sure what. No, it's not it. I'm not actually sure what it gives me. Maybe it's just a YouTube like this URL part. Yeah, it is. So do I just call fetch live chat ID here? Is this fetch chat? Is this what I need? No, it's, that's wrong. I need to get chat ID by the whatever it gives me. Like this gives me fetch live page URL. It gives me a lot of stuff. YouTube.com, YouTube I. What is it? YouTube API v1? Excuse me. I guess it just gives me the wrong address. Live chat client. I mean, it has to open start. Where is execute? Self options clone. Fetch chat options clone. And fetch chat takes request options which contain API key client version and continuation. What? It doesn't even give it the API key. You don't even have API key. What do you mean? Get live chat key, API key, get live chat body. Get live chat response, parse chat data. I mean, I need to somehow get live chat ID, and it shouldn't be that hard. Even it tells me how to do it somewhere here. So relation is this one for scopes. Part. It was telling me somewhere how to get live chat ID. Or was it in list? I guess it was in list. Apparently the live chat ID is a shit with broadcast is turned in the live broadcast resources snippet live chat ID property. So I need to somehow get live broadcast, and I'm pretty sure that's what ID I have for. live chat, in broadcast, live broadcasts, list. I mean, I don't need list, I need to get info of a broadcast. Broadcasts part, I need snippet, ID, IDs that identify broadcast being retrieved. Yeah. User. I mean, I don't really care. I need a live chat ID. Come on, Twitch API is much better. To me, at least. But it doesn't allow multiple broadcasts at the same time. But I'm pretty sure it's still simple relative to YouTube, even if Twitch supported multiple broadcasts, multiple streams. And it should give me. I need to live broadcast list. So I need to do it. Oh no! I'll need to do it here, or I can just double it here. But I mean, I can try. No, I don't think I should. I should really do it here, but I don't have a client. I can make it an ARC of mutex of an option, which would be kinda, or an option of ARC of mutex. Of mutex. I mean, I don't need mutex, just ARC. Mirror up it in ARC. Client. Sum of ARC new. Okay, this shouldn't really impact much stuff, except that now I can do let reader thread client clone, and here I can do like, where is it? On start. I need to broadcast ID reader thread client list. What's this? Wait, I need broadcast. Wait, what? What is the client? Oh, an option. If let's, I mean, I can do let some client equals this, else return, yes, some fancy stuff, and then client dot, I need live broadcasts list. That's a weird name, but sure. Borrowed vector, why not a slice, I don't know, of broadcast ID. It takes a vector of strings. Broadcast ID is a string, exactly. Then I need add part snippet, and now I need to do it, I guess. Oh no, I need to await it. Okay, that's what I hate. I mean, I'm still gonna use MPSC channels, even though I need async here. I can do Tokyo Sound, but I'm pretty sure it's a bad idea. Actually, I may do, like, it's gonna be executed in Tokyo runtime anyway. and it is not gonna mutate, like it's not gonna borrow mutably or something. Wait, and then it's gonna give me something that I need to unwrap or log, return a fail. And then here it's gonna give me broadcasts. Expected unit. Oh, I need to semicolon here. Broadcast is okay. I need the second part, and I need the first one. Broadcasts, items, or okay. Now starts the fun part of unwrapping the toll. Okay, or no broadcasts found. This is gonna be return. Let broadcast. I'll need to unwrap it again with doing first. Log. Again. Respawn doesn't contain broadcast data for some reason. Okay, now I have broadcasts for the first one, which is a live broadcast list response. Items. What? Oh, broadcast, which is a function. Excuse me, what? Why is it a function? No, it's a live broadcast. And what do I have here? Snippet. Should return. Do I provide IDs here? Oh, it's part. Hold on. This should be snippet. A snippet, and this should be and this should be ID. Add ID. I feel like I do this somewhere else like that. But I mean, okay. Oh wow. And yeah, I need this borrowed. I mean, not borrowed. Almost 3 hours. I'm way too long. That's way too long. Okay, so snippet, unwrap or log. Broadcast resource, which is gonna contain a snippet because I've requested a snippet. And here it should finally contain live chat ID. Live chat ID, which is an option, of course. I need to unwrap it. Or log. Okay, or okay. Let me now move this here, paste. After all of that, I should have a live chat ID finally, with this huge request. Don't live long enough. Oh wow, board value doesn't live long enough. I mean, I can just clone it. I think it's oh no, it's a mutex. It's a mutex. Where is it? Where is it defined? Live chat ID here. It is defined. I mean, it's gonna be persistent forever. I can do box leak if you want. Box of an option of string. Yeah, right. What? Oh, box of mutex of an option of a string. Right, now it's right. Oh, I need to box it first. Okay, let's box it. That's why. Cannot move out a reader thread client captured variable in a fan closure. Out async move. Oh my god. Why? Move occurs because has type mutable reference of mutex. What? Why? Give me an immutable reference to whatever. Does it actually work like that? Cannot move out of readers. Oh, why? What's wrong? Okay, here on start, I need to reference live chat ID and reader thread client is. I mean, yeah, I need to move it here. Out of captured variable move. I mean, shouldn't really move. Why Tokyo doesn't have a block on here? Or spawn blocking? Why do I have to have a runtime to block on? Futures executor block on. Sure. Pretty sure it's gonna crash like this. I mean, just need to get this client. Come on. Captured in fan closure cannot move out of captured variable in the fan closure. I mean, I can box leak, box new. I can make it a reference. What is client? Oh, an option of an ARC. I mean, it's an option of an ARC. Come on. What is wrong about cloning it even? I can clone it here. Okay, and now I can get rid of this. And that's the earliest I can get here. by the way. Move, I think move. Now I can move it in. Oh no, I need to extract it all. Okay, let's do let broadcasts. I need to extract them one by one. Snippet. Why YouTube API is so hard? And why is nobody doing abstractions over this stuff? Like nobody wants to touch it. Why? Snippet which is behind the shared reference. Because WordCast snippet has an option. What? Which is behind the shared reference. Why is broadcast a oh dot into can I take first like and consume it? You know, iter next like that. I mean into iter into if I want to consume it. Okay, and now it might actually work. That's like 3 times as much as I wanted to stream today. And in the past 2 hours no one came to the stream. Am I even still live? Am I lagging like crazy? No, seems fine. I should also be a bit closer to microphone because I'm too quiet and the quality is terrible if I'm far away. But I don't have a microphone arm, so my microphone is very low. Wow, this lags. And I should also learn to speak properly. I mean, speak properly. Just speak cleanly. Okay, we're loading. Let's hope it works and I can finally rate someone. YouTube is YouTube is such a pain to integrate with. Why? I mean, Twitch has IRC and I haven't tried Twitch API yet. So I can't really say anything about Twitch. But oh man, I saw some much better APIs. I mean, I'm pretty sure I can. Oh wow. Hold on. Stop scrolling, stop scrolling. Stop scrolling, stop. No. I can't. Hey. Hold on, it asks me to log in. It's stuck in a loop. And it didn't use the whole link. Oh wait. It did pause. No, it didn't. Okay, let me just yank it. Open Kate real quick. And come on, Kate. This is not an app that should be loading. And just copy the part of the link I need. That's wrong. Yeah, sure. Pretty sure that's what I need. Application Chatry. I don't know why it's in Russian. Oh, here I can set it as in English. Just so you can see it more cleanly. I mean, someone's watching me, no one cares. Continue. Google hasn't verified this app. Of course it hasn't, and it probably never will. Okay, I logged in. Message to kick, and yes, this is not private as well, but it's not sending anything. QOTD. Come on, just send. Oh wait, it doesn't even work. Do I have to follow like what is it, 30 login procedures? No. I'm pretty sure I do because all 30 threads. Oops, wrong button. Wrong button, wrong button. Okay, I mean I need to change this. I mean I do Tokyo spawn here. Can I join without having async? What do I have here? Wait. Oh, no. Why I can't block on? Like, actually, if I don't have access to runtime because it's for some reason an RC of runtime. I mean, I can make a new runtime. Let's change it right now. I can make a new runtime, but that's a bad idea because I already have one. I should use it, but I can't because it's an RC. Let's make it an RC. Define. But this means I need to change it everywhere. An ARC of runtime here and ARC here. And I mean, not much else is gonna change except for those types. Mode RS for overlay, runtime and ARC. And where's it? An ARC. Who stores multi-threaded runtimes and a reference counted, not asynchronous? Okay, now it should be fine. No one error somewhere here. Yeah, because I need a runtime lock on increment its reference count. I mean, I can't clone it here, can I? No, I can't clone it here. I need to clone it somewhere outside. Let a reader thread runtime equals runtime clone runtime reader thread runtime. Yeah, should work now. Please end my struggles and suffering. Come on, please work. QMK, Raspberry Pi, Rayleigh Ruby Ryzen, SDL, Snap in here, shells. Oh, ow, ouch. What? Why? Why? What? Hey, hold on. Stop. How am I gonna? Oh, it's panicked. Cannot start a runtime from within the runtime. Oh, okay. But I mean, it still should be. Wait, what? Yeah, it still should be asynchronous reference counted. But I mean, yeah, I can't do it. Oh, I don't know what to do then. Since I need asynchronous, but it's not. Oh, I need to drive asynchronous tasks, but this function isn't asynchronous. But it's in a synchronous context. Ah, why? Like I can't know if it's a video ID or a live chat ID to like upgrade it in post. I can try. Well, I can try. I can try. I can just buffer it. Like make a. Well, why is it a box leak? Live chat, live broadcast. And here I set a broadcast ID. Here I set this, and then I should move this out. Okay, just take this out. And here, if there is okay, by interval, if let's sum of broadcast ID and client. There's client I don't need broadcast ID. Is now set live chat ID. Reader thread client. So yeah, thread client. Okay. Live broadcast ID. So I'll have this chat set it here. I can use broadcast ID here. Required lock and wrap clone. Proof moved value. What? Value borrowed here after move. Where is move? Oh, moved into closure. Makes sense. I mean, it's the thing is, it's a mutex, so it's mutably borrowed. Yeah, I'm awaiting somewhere when mutex is borrowed, which is always a bad sign. equals this broadcast ID clone. Okay, so I have broadcast ID here. I set live chat ID and then I do live broadcast ID. Now I can look at it again. Lock and wrap. Also none. Reference here. Try it's my last attempt for today. I'm streaming for over 3 hours. That's way too much. Especially when no one comes here. Building. Loading 4950 of 88 plushies. Vim, Vulcan, Wayland, Alan, NumPy. Okay, now I need to log in again. Okay, now it blocked, which is a good sign. This means I don't have a whatever a race condition. I mean, I don't think it's a race condition here. It would be. But it kind of reminds me of a race. A message to, and it asks me to log in again. For some reason. Okay, let's log in again. Let's do this again. Continue. Why language doesn't persist? Oh wow, it does it 3 times. It did it 3 times. Why? I don't know why. I mean, 2 times makes sense. Oh wait, 3 times. I sent QTD 3 times. But it worked. Can't believe it worked. I mean, now if I have to run QTD, it will probably ask me again. No, it doesn't. It works, and I can random plushie to celebrate, and the delay is quite huge. Oh, GitHub! I remember rigging this one manually. Nice, finally works. And this was a pain. Let me just get rid of this log and git add, git commit. Finally, YouTube API integrated. Bang. Why bang is... What is bang in strings? In bash? I mean, it's ZSH. I had same thing in fish, I guess. I mean, I think Did I push? I pushed just for safety. Push again. No, I didn't. Yes, I did. Wait, what? Again? Why did it? I mean, pretty sure it's up to date, but why did it hung up unexpectedly again? Okay, enough. Goodbye, YouTube. This was a big thing. I mean, actually, YouTube can watch how I choose someone to raid with one fake viewer with Chatry, and then no one's live. That's pretty unfortunate. I wish I could raid someone. You can really C++. Uh, soft. I mean, it is software and game development. Pick up one. I've got a watch streak on this channel, and I'm not even following just because of rates. Language English. Let's search for Rust stations. Oh, wow. Is it? No, it's game Rust. I need software and game development. Rust. We write in Rust. Rate 51 here. Rust Ling. Rust APIs. Yes, it's pretty close. Oh, well, that's interesting. Actually, maybe anyone doing compiler or something, compiler development or something. I know, Godot. Anyone is making games with Godot? In pretty much quite a bit. Godot extension. I mean Godot. Let's see.
Else return.
Let's just take
So what's happening
them.
now? All states have been
17 followers and having a chatter. That's pretty good. Let me just finally I can close all of this and I can close that as well. Can I slash raid? Okay, thanks everyone for sticking out. Everyone, goodbye.